Hey, good morning everybody. Sunday, December 22nd here in Dingaland. And we got another crazy windy day, misty rain. Let's take a look. The kids are over here playing with the kitties. They love the kitties. There's Mommy.
The mom's the baby.
It's real misty. The rain is, it's like a fine mist. But it hits you good with this wind. The dogs pretty much hang out under the kubo all the time. I haven't seen them really do much walking this line, the big line that we left them. They don't walk around too much. They just hang under the kubo. Probably because they're used to being tied up with a short leash and not being able to walk around. So maybe once they get used to being on this big line, they'll cruise around. But yeah, they're used to not being able to. They're used to being a tiny little line, like most dogs around here in the Philippines. But yeah, you can see these waves. Bringing up a lot of garbage. They were picking it up this morning, but it'll be constant until this system is out of here. The storm system, whatever it is. Squall system. It's just not a nice weather. Not nice weather conditions to do much of anything. Our laundry's still hanging up. It's who knows when it'll dry. I don't think we'll get too many guests coming in today on a Sunday. It's just not nice weather. On another note, I thank you a couple of the subscribers that gave me information about logging into the proper site to get a passport appointment. One guy sent me the link. That was nice. It did work. So I do have the information now. I'm getting wet sitting here with this wind. So I actually went to the site with my phone and tried to book. And it said, I went through the whole process. But it didn't go through. I think it said my browser was not strong enough or something. Plus, I don't have a printer. And you have to print it out. Once it's all done, you print it out. And you bring it with you. You have to prove that you have the appointment with a piece of paper. So I found one of my foreigner friends. He's got a computer and a printer. So once I know for sure when I'm going, I can go ahead and make the appointment for the day after. So I'll stay there in Manila overnight and just go in the morning across the street and get everything done. I have all the paperwork I need. I already filled out all the papers, the 2 forms. I even found my birth certificate, and while I was looking for my birth certificate, I found 1 copy of my old passport, my original passport, which I didn't think I had any copies of it. But there was one in my folder, so that's going to help a lot. It's proof that I had a passport, and it's also got my passport number, so that's awesome. So I should get it right away. Well, in 4 to 6 weeks. Whatever, I'm not in a hurry for it. I think when I bring it to do my new visa, we can explain why the visa may be expired. But I might have it before my birthday. I'm going to try to go the first week of January. That's the plan. So everything's looking good. I'll probably go by myself because Mommy's going to be busy with the kids. They have to go back to school first week of January. So we got a busy couple weeks here first. But there's no appointments left in December anyway. There's nothing. There's only a couple days available and they are already filled. So it has to be January. So that's that. This James, man, he's a handful. Yay! Screaming all the time. Anyway, I think they're happier over here anyway. They have a lot of area to run around. They're playing with these kittens. Put the cat down now. Put it down, let him run around. They don't like to be held all the time. He's always holding the cats. Get away from them screaming. Then I get wet. So there's not much we can do today with this weather. And I don't know yet the exact day I'm going to leave. It might be based on if I can get a ride there. The neighbor over here, her daughter is an attorney. And apparently she's coming in town for the holidays. And she lives in Manila. So they went to pick her up yesterday. I don't know if she's here yet. I don't know if they're back yet. But I'm going to have Grace ask them when she's going back to Manila. Because I think she's going back right after the New Year. I haven't met her yet. I'm going to meet her when she comes here. And maybe I can catch a ride with them to Manila instead of taking the bus. And then I'll just take the bus back home. Depending on when she's going back. And then I can base my appointment on that. So I'm waiting for Grace to find out. Before I go over to my friend Peter's house. Peter's the one that has the computer and the printer. And there's also another guy there named Daniel. Not Daniel, my friend, but Daniel, the other roommate there. And he's got an apartment there also. I know he's real computer savvy. He does a lot of stuff on his computer all day. I think he even teaches English lessons. Makes a little extra money. He might have a printer also, but regardless, I'll find one. And as soon as I know when I'm leaving, I'll go over their place and try to make the appointment when their system printed out. I'll be all set, because you have to have the appointment. You have to have it before you go. You can't just walk in. There's no walk-ins accepted. I also have passport photos, but I don't know if they're any good. I might have to take new ones. And they do have a place right there at the embassy. You can do it. Or you can do it anywhere that does photos. But I do have some from my last passport left over. Maybe I can use one of those. The Wi-Fi is still not working. I don't know when they're going to fix it. That's good. Play. Do something. That was last year's Christmas present. I'm surprised it's not all broken. Well, his racket's broken. Well, at least she's got one that works. Those rackets were expensive too. They were special ones. I guess I have to get them new rackets. Maybe pick some up for Christmas. They're using the dog line there for a net. Alright everybody, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the new subscribers. Keep on helping out Santa. God bless everyone. Like and subscribe is free. Santa Claus. Over and out. Bye.